Hi there, how's it going? This is Ash from Fetch Profits. Let's try and find out how to connect your Unbounce landing pages with Mailchimp account. Before you get anywhere near the integration part, be sure that you have admin access to your Mailchimp account. If you're working on behalf of a client, be sure to get admin level access so that you can make this happen. Now, as you can see, there is an Unbounce landing page right here. You click on this button here, what happens is that there's a pop-up. Pop-up will ask for a name and email ID of the person who is your potential customer. If you fill up this name and email ID and click on Get Your Coupon Now, Mailchimp automatically triggers responder that delivers the coupon code to the subscriber. Now, to make that happen, soon after somebody signs up and adds their data here, that data connects directly with a particular list on Mailchimp. Mailchimp knows which autoresponder to send when somebody signs up here. This is the way landing page has been built up. And to connect Mailchimp with your landing page, all you need to do is go to the page overview section, and if you come down below here, you will find a way to connect directly with Mailchimp. You can also connect with a lot of other email service providers and marketing automation platforms like HubSpot and Infusionsoft, but in this case we are focusing only on Mailchimp. So if you just click on this Chimp button, you will be guided with a wizard to try and connect with a particular list on your Mailchimp account. If you haven't connected your Mailchimp account to Unbounce previously, it will take you through the connection process, which is fairly simple and straightforward. All you need to do is log into Mailchimp through your Unbounce pop-up model that you're seeing here. After you do that, it will ask you to connect with a particular list, which you will, and you will choose that Mailchimp will send an autoresponder instead of sending anything from here directly. And after you set up, depending on the kind of business and the landing page that you built, you need to configure your field mapping. You got to be sure that the form you have on the page is equal to the form or the data that you're collecting within your Mailchimp account. So name for first name, email for email, these are all optional. And if you need to add another custom field, you can do so depending on how you design your pages and forms. Once you do that, you can click on Save Changes. Your lead data will be sent to your Mailchimp list. It's how easy it is to connect your Unbounce pages with Mailchimp. Please be sure and remember that you need admin level access for your Mailchimp account. You need to be able to configure your field mapping in a way that it connects with all the data that you're collecting on your landing page or your pop-up form with Mailchimp. I hope that helps. I'll see you in another video.